Okay, welcome to Waldorf RC's repair channel. We're gonna do some kind of repair videos on some of the things we do. Customer just came in and he wants us to put a Traxxas connector on this battery. This is an older battery, but that's what the customer wants to do. So I'm gonna just walk you through the steps of how to do it. You need a quality soldering iron. So that's why people just kind of pay me to do it. This soldering iron here, SMT Max, it's a couple years old. They're pretty expensive. They're at least $200 some odd. So you need a soldering iron, which is here. This guy is kind of old, a little crusty, but works great. I've been through a gazillion tips for it. So, soldering iron that's hot. We need rosin core solder, Minitronics. I've been using that for years. That's the best. Been using that all my life. And if you buy some cheap stuff from Home Depot, I would expect cheap results. So this is a battery. We're going to take the Traxxas does not sell. They do not. Woo! Interesting. Did we get that on video? Okay, Traxxas does not sell their. They don't sell their old clip. They don't sell their plugs because they want everything to be proprietary to them. Now you can buy some off of. You can buy some of them off of Amazon or whatnot, but if you can ever use a Traxxas proprietary Traxxas plug, use it. This battery still had juice in it. This battery has been ruined by a customer from over discharge. We have videos about customers over discharging batteries all day long. So what we're going to do, first thing first, we're going to open up this QS8 plug. Take a screwdriver, stick it in here, and pop this guy open. I'm gonna fast forward the video, show this guy open, and get to soldering. Okay, so we're gonna pick this back up. We have the soldering iron hot. We're gonna show you all the tools that we're gonna use. We have a soldering jig that makes this a lot easier. We're gonna use a X-Acto knife to pop out these balance plugs that we're no longer gonna need. So we pop those guys out, we're gonna throw those away. Now let's get to some quick soldering. First step up, we're going to go positive from there, do positive on here. So we are going to unsolder, open this up, stick this in here, mount this guy down. So you pre-tin, put a little solder on here to pre-tin this down. Now this stuff does have lead in it, so I would not try to inhale this as much as possible. Usually I have a little fan going. So we're gonna take the extra solder off of this, put it in our reservoir over there that has a little water. So we're gonna pre-tin that. We're gonna blow a little bit because we do not want to be engulfing lead. So now that's unsoldered there. When your Traxxas plugs are the hardest to solder because once they go back in the plastic sheathing, there's not a lot of room. So you want to, when you solder it on, you want to just get it just on the tip of it. Your soldering iron should, your soldering joint should be shiny. If it's like really gray, that means it's what's called a cold solder joint. So we're going to put this guy in, pops right in, easy because did a great job soldering there. And we're just going to repeat that on the next one. And that's that. And that's how to take a battery with any random plug, take it apart, and reuse a Traxxas proprietary plug. One more thing, this has a magnet in it, which the Traxxas charger recognizes. So you cannot charge this on a Traxxas charger. So this customer has an aftermarket charger, and that is why that works. Thank you very much. And call Waldorf RC, 301-932-9193 if you need anything soldered.